Hello guys and welcome to best memes I found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
Oh my god! Stop using the dog as a puppet!
Bring me a sandwich, bitch!
Yo, can you read this?
A game of don't let the balloon touch the floor, but like not with her hands, just with her feet, okay? No hands. Prep it. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
What the fuck? That's not fair! High five. High five. Put her there. Give me some skin.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely...
Watermelon. All right, it's coming down. 3, 2, 1.
Said, how the hell you gonna oot snoops in the fucking lane jootle noops if you ain't got no poople snoops? The poople snoops is the fucking the balloon chicken lane doot.
Andre,
Chaz,
Chaz,
Gary,
Gary,
Michael,
Michael,
and Ratatata.
Un video más, mi gente, me encanta esta vaina.
Alright, Matt, truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to call your crush. What?
Shoot, I kinda don't need to call my crush cause they're in this car. And it's...
Hi there, I'm Paul Perkenstein, and welcome to the wide world of web. Today's segment, Internet Chat Rooms. Hello, how are you today? Oh, it appears Greg has challenged our manhood. We need to find out everything we can about his interests, fears, and most of all, his family.
Show me the life hack that you randomly saw one day that is now an
So cute. Mom, what do? Just don't do anything weird.
Oh yeah, Papa! Someone sent me this in the mail, Papa. It say ring for sex, Papa. I don't know what the fuck. Nah!
¿Qué pasa?
Yeah, man. Fucking gang business.
If you're 10 or 12, please hit me up.
It seems there has been a huge misunderstanding.
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro?
It's so special.
That's sick.
Oh my god. Can I put it on?
Gonna put it on, bro?
No, he's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna put it on.
Nah!
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Yeah.
Cool.
Take my shoes and walk a mile.
Oh, what happened in here? Papa?
Let's get the fuck out of here. Take that pizza to go, B.
Oh, you like a slice? Ain't no way I want a fucking slice.
Yo, what the fuck?
What the fuck did they do to my fucking bagel at Dunkin' Donuts? What the fuck? I can't even fucking stick my fucking finger in it. Are you fucking
The baby started kicking, let me feel. Wait, how far along are you again? 9 months. Better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet, Nick. How tall are you? Yogurt.
Why is all of Washington frozen?
H. Sending my hamster to invade the Russian border. Please wish him luck.
Are you okay?
No. Thank you for asking.
Jordan.
I just put up in that big boy talk, I don't got no mercy. I give a fuck what you heard. You say
Today I'm choosing chaos.
That'd be weird. Oh, here's shit. Your food and sauces in the bag. You have a great night. God bless you. And a ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
All right, this is the... Oh, fuck. What did I do? What did I do? Excuse me? Oh, fuck. It's a bomb.
Oh no. Oh. I just want to make sure you're okay. You're not plotting anything, are you? Okay, I love you. Okay. I'll see you later.
Let's go. Hey, you gotta get the shit out of that curve. I'm just saying, you gotta get the shit out of the curve. Alright, never mind, you did it. Oh, shit!
Oh, I'm feeling beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Wow. Into your eyes. That's so funny. Oh, what?
Let's go. Hold up.
You used to call me on my cell phone.
Oh, these aren't homemade. They were made in a factory. A bomb factory. They're bombs.
Man, they're making these Volkswagens really fucking weird nowadays, man. Like, look at these panel gaps and shit. And who put a tree right there?
Sir, could I use your door for a second? I need to do something.
Sure, go ahead.
These people are so nice. They just let me do whatever I want. Natty, that one was for you.
From your bed.
Sin City was made.
Bro, your car is so complicated. Like, what does this even do?
Hamburger.
Oh no. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No.
If I make this, you gotta give me a kiss.
Damn, I guess I gotta give you a kiss.
But I didn't make it, bro.
If you miss a shot, we're breaking up.
Bro! What the fuck?
Guess you wonder where I've been.
That, of course, was a joke. Damn, I messed up. We gotta go bald, fam.
Oh,
Okay?
It has formed a fiery hairball in there. Leche, please!
You drank all the leche.
Shut the fuck up!
His finger's so long.
Come on, man!
No.
No!
Did you know there was a fire in the house today?
Bro, I fucked up.
I don't have a driver's license, but I've never been in an accident, so.
Well, like you never had one, or you just didn't renew it, or?
How did Uber allow you to sign up?
Well, you work for Uber, right?
Guys, can you keep it down? I'm trying to sleep.
2, 1, go.
Oh! Oh!
Whoa. Sorry, man. I'm just trying to get out of here. Can I get out of here? Sure. You don't tell anybody about this. How did you do this? Was it fake? Yeah. Seriously? We're just doing a prank video. Oh!
Okay, ready?
Who wants to make $5?
How?
I need someone to take the fall.
Oh my God. What did you do?
Yes or no? No questions asked.
Oh my God! Make it 10.
Done.
Oh my God!
You're a good son. I got him, honey! I got him, don't worry!
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and have a good day.